Because of you,
Kelly
Kelkers.
Packing dreams and lunches, the journey just begun. You worked those extra hours, wiped away our tears. You carried all our worries.
Saan ang posisyon mo pa
You
ron?
calmed our
Teacher 3 po, sir.
Mag-apply ka ka, ano gusto mo sa teacher?
sat with us through
Malibugan dito, sir,
Career
kung
progression.
helped us find
school
our
principal
way.
na po.
Either, kahit kung mas teacher ka, mag-decide ka naman principal, pwede naman.
Apo.
So, yan ang
Just
shift.
one day.
Pero dapat mas principal ka talaga.
When the
Mas matindi ang improvements.
felt
Sa
heavy
entire school.
and hope was
Oh, you can do
running
it.
low,
Salamat, sir.
gave
Kaya
us
actually, sir,
strength
ano
inside.
magpunta, sir, kay
More than you'll
family ba or ako ang career?
Ano man yan, ma-manage mo man. Nabayaran ka ma-manage.